Today we're going to learn about all the luxury features of a square body Cummins swap. All the new trucks have what? Climate control for the front, the back, the left, the right, and the middle seat. You've got heated seats. You've got heated steering wheels. You have cooled seats. You have cooled steering wheels. You have folding compartments. You have cell chargers. You have mirrors that fold in, that fold out. You even have heated mirrors, for crying out loud. Well, today we'll learn about the creature comforts of a square body that has a Cummins swap. First of all, how many cup holders does a new F-250 have in it? Almost unlimited. Well, here we have an addition of 2 cup holders, as well as your center compartment storage unit. Then, of course, we have cell phone charging at your fingertips. And we have climate control, which actually works pretty darn good. And then we have lumbar support, completely, fully adjustable lumbar support. But the main thing I wanted to talk about today is about the back seat. As you know, the back seat on all the new trucks, they fold down and they flip up and they have more compartments to put things in. Well, all you have on this truck is fold up with storage in the back. But today we're going to learn about how to maximize the storage in the back seat of your crew cab square body truck. First of all, you have 4 bolts that you have to pull out right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. And then your seat is completely free, ready to come out. Taking it out, so. Are you hooked on a seatbelt? Yeah. I want to make sure I don't lose the bolt, so I'll put those back in. Even though this big space is probably pretty usable, it's not flat. And I'd like to have it flat, so I built me this plywood platform with little legs on it so that I can put all my tools back here and have it nice and stackable and level. All right, now we're ready to load. So there's how I load all my tools into my truck. If you find this video useful, or at the very least entertaining, hit that subscribe button and give me a like if you would. And stay tuned for more life and times of the square body Cummins. Thanks for watching.